Welcome, this is Joe from the Cell Phone Geek. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing here for you. This is a refrigerator deodorizer. This is actually one of those charcoal cartridges that slides into this little box here and then mounts to the side of your refrigerator or freezer. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into it. And I have the color that I picked, it was green. So if you go ahead and open up the box, take a look and see what we got inside. Pretty straightforward, so it's just a green, kind of looks like a flower, or actually like a leaf petal. We'll go ahead and take it out of the plastic here. So this is it. It's got suction cups on it, so you can stick it to the side of your refrigerator. This would go on the inside of the refrigerator, and then there is a cartridge in here. I don't know if I can... We can open this real quick. I don't want to break it. There is a, you can kind of see it like a gray bag in there. It's a charcoal packet, so that's absorbs the smells and odors from the inside of your refrigerator, keeping your refrigerator fresh. And this is just an easy, quick way to keep your refrigerator from smelling, especially if you cut open an onion and leave that in the refrigerator. This here will absorb that onion smell, so your whole fridge won't smell like onions. Same thing with like broccoli and stuff. All different foods have different smells, and so this is one way to control the smells. So when you open your refrigerator, you don't get all those odors. The charcoal here inside this packet actually absorbs those smells. You probably have heard a lot about charcoal these days. They even have charcoal cat litter coming out. But yeah, this is for your refrigerator to keep the smells down. So that is pretty much it for this guy. So I'm going to set it up in my refrigerator and go from there. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the description below. It'll have a link for this product, as well as that is my affiliate link. So please do support us by buying this through my link or anything else, and that will keep our channel running to bring you more content. Thanks. Have a great day.